Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to join Telegram private channel without link. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to join the Telegram private channel without an invite link, you need to first of all open your Telegram app. Simply select a channel you have or create a channel and simply get into that channel. Now once you're inside the channel, you need to simply tap on your profile, and once you do this, you will end up in this kind of interface where you can find the invite to group via link option. Simply tap on it and it will show you the group link. Simply copy that link, and once you have copied that link, you need to simply tap open any of the web browsers of your preference. Once you have selected it, you need to simply open it and you need to copy paste your URL. And once you have done this, you need to simply modify it by backspacing till the me/ option. Once you do this, simply modify and put the channel's name you want to go. Here I have kept cricket. Once you have done this, you will be able to find the private group of cricket channel right over there without getting any invite link. So simply tap on join and get into that channel. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.